bedroom. Attic access is through this closet here. That's a really tight access. The door also, when it's open, blocks the thing. Plus we're going to take the shelf out and all the furniture, clothes, to get up in here. When you do get up in here, the furnace is shoehorned between this, what's this called, a knee wall, and the exterior of the house. We've got 94 inches. My standard for an installation in an attic is about 10 feet, which would be 120 inches. So we got a really tight space to fit in here. Although I do think I can make it work with some unconventional methods. Here we have the evaporator. We got water damage at the bottom. That's from the summertime when the air conditioner is running. So that's probably either leaking out through the middle or something else, but it should be replaced. Here's the furnace. This particular model was never a good quality product, but nevertheless, in this particular house, it did last. We have more water damage here. This is from condensation from the furnace. So you see rust and all this water damage down here. So what we're going to do is take all of this out. The wood seems like it's okay. It's got water damage, but it doesn't seem like it's bad. We'll put a secondary drain pan underneath everything to prevent any water damage in the future, and put everything inside the new secondary pan. There's actually this, so I can stick my fingers all the way into the ductwork here. Let me see. Watch, so I can just actually stick my tape right in there. Just goes in and out. There you go. That's your that's air leakage coming into the house. So the it's just fiberglass and dirt and dust getting sucked into the system, clogging everything up. Not the best. Now the ductwork itself actually looks okay. So that's good. That's really good. Okay, here's the air conditioning unit. It's not as old as the other stuff in the attic, but it is an R22 unit, which does not match this current standard for refrigerants. So it really should be upgraded. Changing that evaporator in the attic means we'd have to put in an old style evaporator, which means it won't work with any new air conditioning system that needs to be put here in the future. And this R22 is going to get very difficult to get access to. So here's the, if I can get that to focus. Won't focus? What's going on here? It won't focus, but it's a 2.5 ton air conditioning unit, which is probably correct for this house. Yeah, here's the air conditioner, and right up there underneath those vents is where the furnace is.